Hello everyone, today I will show you how to add stroke color or outline color to text using Nitro Pro PDF Editor. Open your PDF file with Nitro Pro PDF Editor. Now click on this home option and select edit option. Now click on this text or put your mouse cursor on this outline text box border text. Now click on this right button and select edit properties. And text properties dialog box. Here you will find stroke color and select stroke color PT. I'll make it default 1 PT and choose here in color. I choose this color and select OK and see this stroke color now showing here. Also I'll add stroke color here. Again click this similar way. Good. And this red color. Say OK. And see this stroke color now, and in this you can add stroke color or outline color to text. Yeah, and finally select this file option, save or save as a PDF file. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comments.